Hello, me again. Since that last video I realised it wasn't really firing on all cylinders, and that's because well, do you remember when I said this? Yeah, I'll figure out the order later. Yeah, I didn't actually do it, and I had two cables plugged in the wrong way round, so it was firing anywhere between 3 and 1 cylinder. Oops. So I've corrected that. I've also tried to correct some other things, so I'll show you what those are, and then we'll run it up and see if she goes a bit better. Remember the dribbling expansion tank? That was basically because it was siphoning off the coolant because of the way I'd set it up. So what I've done now is made this go upwards, so it is actually like an overflow instead of a siphon that just goes straight down. So this should still provide the expansion functionality, if you can call it that, but it also won't just drain all the coolant out, hopefully. And the other thing is I've plugged in the breather pipes. So these are the breather pipes. It's properly starting to look a bit I don't know, looks a bit weird really, a bit sci-fi, but there you go, it's a sci-fi engine. So we've got the can of petrol. Let's pop the fuel line in, start it, and see if it runs on all four, see if it's just a bit happier generally, and see if it dribbles at all. Oh, forgot I'd fix the interior light. It's quite cozy in here, isn't it? Okay, I'll leave the door open in case it bursts into flames and you can see a bit better. Okay, so what we're going to do, choke out, that's it, and then check we're in neutral with the knitting needle. Okay, let's try it. Sounds much better. Smoky. Put the lights on. Lively. We'll have to get a silencer on this, I think. Somehow. I think that'll do for now. Scared the shit out of me when it started up. Right, let's have a good look at everything. Nothing, completely dry. Level is exactly what I set it at. That's getting nice and warm. Nothing leaking there. I'm still shaking. I think it's alright. But gonna have to choose our time to run that because it is a bit Spitfire-like. So that's it, just a really short and very loud video. Definitely on the way with this, but what to do next? Get a silencer on it, get some brakes on it, that might be a good idea. Get the hydrogas done, definitely. Question is when. Okay, thanks for watching, see you next time.